Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, and thank the Honourable Asira Ndondo for his question. Mr. Speaker, sir, the government through the Fiji Roads Authority currently manages jetties around the country that accommodate our roll-on and roll-off vessels nationwide. We have around 10 in the Eastern Division, 3 in the Northern Division, and 1 in the Central Division. And the provision of proper public convenience and waiting facilities for all these jetties is part of the Fiji Roads Authority Forward Work Program. Some of these jetties operate on a daily basis, some twice a week, while some have ships coming to them once or twice a month. And also for all of these jetties, the number of passengers and volume of cargo and volume of vehicles varies quite considerably for all of these jetties. Those jetties that operate on a daily basis like Natovi and Nambowalu obviously have more passengers passing through than the others on a weekly basis. So two, namely Natovi and Nambowalu, also accommodate ro-ro vessels on a daily basis, and 6, Samsawu, Tabiuni, Bunisea, Kavala, Garani, and Koro accommodate roll-on, roll-off vessels once or twice a week. All of these 8 jetties have public conveniences and waiting facility given the number of passengers passing through. For the remaining 6 jetties, 1 has a public convenience, while the rest are programmed under the FRA Forward Work Program. That's the current status, Mr. Speaker.